Hi guys, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing all good. So in today's video, I share with you this delicious but yet perfect soya grilled or roasted full chicken. You will love it, so all you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with FRYER. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start by making our brine, and so we're going to need some water. Next, I'll go in with chopped onions. Next, I'll go in with ginger, lime, garlic, salt. Moving forward, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, bay leaves, and some natural mixed spice, which includes dried rosemary, coriander, and star anise seed. I'll cover and allow it to cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and this is what we have. Our brine is ready and it smells really good. So next we're going to get our chicken ready. As you can see, it's looking super clean and perfect. I've already washed this chicken off camera. Use any type of chicken that you want, okay? As you can see, it's looking super clean and perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to place this chicken in my brine water to soak for about 30 to 1 hour approximately, for it to taste real good. Brine the chicken is really important, so if you don't want it, you can go ahead to season your chicken right away, but this process is very important, so kindly note it. Now let's cover it and allow it to be in the water to do its own thing for approximately 1 hour, and we are back. The chicken looks super good and nice, and I've also flipped it over for the other side to also brine as well, so kindly notice. So you have to do both sides for about 30 to 30 minutes and you are good to go. If you have enough time, you can keep this for overnight and it's just perfect. So now let's get this chicken from the water and we're going to proceed to the next stage. Next, we're going to start by mixing natural spice. So here I have some soya spice or yaji. I have some garlic ginger paste as well, chicken seasoning, garlic and ginger powder as well, and also some black pepper, white pepper. Kindly feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, okay? Don't forget to go in with some salt to taste, powdered pepper, a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice. Next, I'll go in with cooking oil and I'll stir everything together until it forms a nice paste. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, as I said. And once that is done, all that is left right now is to get the chicken ready, and we're going to massage and coat this spice on it until it's nice and well coated. Now, whilst we're enjoying the video, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and delicious recipe as well. Thank you so much for your amazing support. One tip I want to share with you is that if you really want your chicken to really taste really good, especially when you are grilling or you are roasting it, always remember to brine it in water, or basically a sauce solution with a touch of natural herbs. Is very important because it helps the chicken to become very juicy inside after grilling or roasting it, and it also makes it super good. It is really good afterwards. Okay, so kindly note it is very important. Now, after massaging all the seasonings to the chicken, as you can see, the chicken is nice and well coated with the seasoning. Or what I just left right now is to place this in my air fryer. You can use your griller, anything at all to do this, but the air fryer makes my life so easy. If you have oven, that's just fine. Okay, so now let's roast this in the air fryer for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and the temperature was about 160 degrees Celsius, so kindly note it. And afterwards, this is what we have. It's turned out super good. I love the golden color on it, and trust me, it smells really good in here. All you have to do right now is to trust the process. So fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this soya grilled or roasted full chicken. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing feedbacks afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. I use this chicken for my stew and also soup, which I'll be sharing the recipe to you very soon. So kindly turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.